Have you ever found yourself stuck in the planning phase of a project, waiting for everything to be perfect before you take action? It's a common trap that many people fall into, whether they're working on software development, launching a new product, or even tackling personal goals. The phrase, "get it working by any means," serves as a powerful reminder that sometimes the best approach is to focus on getting something functional first and then improving it later. This principle, inspired by test-driven development, TDD, can be applied to many areas of life beyond just coding. At its core, the idea of getting it working means prioritizing action over perfection. In software development, TDD encourages developers to write tests before they write the actual code. This approach allows them to focus on creating a basic version of the software that meets the necessary requirements. Once that version is functional and passes the tests, they can then iterate and enhance the solution based on feedback and further testing. This method not only speeds up the development process, but also ensures that improvements are grounded in real-world usage and needs. Now, let's consider how this principle applies outside of coding. In any creative endeavor, be it writing, designing, or starting a business, waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect product can lead to missed opportunities. Instead of striving for an unattainable ideal, focus on creating a minimum viable version of your idea. For example, if you're writing a book, start with an outline or even a rough draft. Get your thoughts down on paper without worrying about making it perfect. Once you have something tangible, you can refine and edit it based on feedback from others. In business, this approach can be incredibly beneficial as well. When launching a new product or service, consider starting with a simple version that addresses the core needs of your target audience. Gather feedback from early users to understand what works and what doesn't. This real-world input is invaluable. It allows you to make informed decisions about how to improve your offering in ways that truly resonate with your customers. One of the biggest advantages of this mindset is that it helps overcome the fear of failure. When you focus on getting something functional rather than perfect, you reduce the pressure associated with high expectations. This shift in perspective encourages experimentation and innovation. You may discover new ideas or solutions that you hadn't considered when trying to achieve perfection from the start. So, how can you start applying this principle in your own life? Begin by identifying a project or goal that you've been hesitant to tackle because you're waiting for everything to be just right. Challenge yourself to take action by creating a basic version or outline of your idea. Set a deadline for yourself to complete this initial step, whether it's finishing a draft of a proposal or launching a simple website. Once you have something working, seek feedback from others and be open to making improvements based on their insights. Remember that iteration is key. Each round of feedback will help you refine your approach and enhance your final product. Next time you feel overwhelmed by the desire for perfection, remind yourself, get it working by any means. Embrace the power of taking action and allow yourself to iterate and improve over time. By focusing on functionality first and refining later, you'll find that progress becomes more achievable and your efforts will lead to meaningful results in both your personal and professional endeavors.